It's Saturday morning in September. Last night I didn't sleep well at all. It was one of those nights where you just can't sleep. You just have to try to occupy your mind. So my shop was built like 60s or 70s or something. And if you look, there's like an old ass AC unit. I'm gonna turn it on with a golf club. We're on super mode. Hopefully the noise doesn't really like throw everything off. So last night as I was scrolling on YouTube, I ended up coming across this concept. There's this thing right now called comfort creators. Just basically someone that you resonate with and they make you feel seen. It's like a friend that just casually shows up and after they stop by, just provides a little bit of comfort. So then I'm down on the block. It's Saturday. It's like 10:30 in the morning. It's super hot. There's not a lot of cloud cover. And I don't really know what to expect from the day. Usually I get people that come through here and we'll see how that goes. So I know for myself, lately I've been watching a lot of content from smaller creators. And the thing about it is I'm able to leave comments on their videos. They leave comments on mine. It's become a great community and I've had a lot of amazing conversations. And I think when it really comes down to it, I've never really known how to explain it. But these content creators have provided comfort for me. I know that the minute they post and I see that there's a new video, and as long as time allows, it's like I'll watch it. It's honestly something that I've began to look forward to. It almost feels like my day is not complete unless they show up, or if I haven't seen them for a long time, I start to wonder like how they're doing, if they're okay. And I think a lot of the content that the smaller vlogging community has made is actually a group of comfort creators. I've never really been able to place that term or concept, but now that I think about it, I believe that resonates with me. And it truly is like that feeling when you meet up with a friend and you go grab coffee or something. It's kind of like your good friend just stopping by. When you click on that video, see what they're up to, and you move on with your day. It's not like you need to have an extreme attention span. I mean, they could be talking to you while you're working. They could be traveling with you while you're in your car. It's just a nice casual relationship. And I don't think there's a greater term, comfort creator. I hope that I can be that for someone out there. I mean, I don't know if I'm a comfort creator. When I think about what I'm doing, it just makes a lot of sense. Come with me and let's see what's going on next door. They got their AC on. On the back of this little receiver, oh, sorry, I got it talking to it. On the back of the little receiver, I lost the magnet. And it kind of sucks. I see all you guys with the DJI mics and you have it connected like on the inside. I'm gonna try something. I'm trying to see if I can get another magnet. I know this is ghetto. This is a little hook magnet, but kind of seems like it works. But anyways, I just got back from the coffee shop and they're doing these seasonal drinks. This is a pumpkin spice cold foam on a cold brew. This thing is like pretty delicious. It's like pumpkin pie in a cup. The funny thing is, day before yesterday, I shot the promo video for it. And for some reason, I thought it was gonna be really cool if I shot it in slow motion. So I shot it in slow motion and it came out looking like a strobe light. I really messed it up, but I gotta drink that drink that we messed up. We had to reshoot it again. I got another one. Maybe if I mess it up one more time, I can get another. So I'm gonna try this one more time. This time just straight onto metal, no magnet. So now I have the microphone here. Does that work? Okay, so let's test this out. I found this little thing with a metal washer. I got a razor blade and some matte black vinyl sticker. I'm gonna try to cover the washer thing and see if that works. So does that work? Like, are you telling me, basically, they're trying to sell me a $30 washer that's black? Okay, so I could just paint this, but that's kind of genius. Like, you have to admit, sometimes being ghetto is worth it. I just saved myself $150. Brain rot, do you guys even know who that is? That's that Shunada guy, the guy who cleans the shoes. I just saved myself $150. So I'm all done for the day. It was pretty mellow. A few people came by. The day went by kind of quick. I didn't get as much done as I wanted to. But that's life, right? I didn't have a lot of cameos today. By the time people came by, I honestly forgot to film. And then when they left, I was like, oh, I should have filmed that. That's kind of, I don't know, rookie move, I guess. So I'm gonna head home, see what's going on there. So earlier I had the gain set all the way low. I think that's why it sounded muffled. I don't know, I really gotta figure out the microphone. I feel like that's why the DJI Mic Mini is so much better. Whenever I see videos when people use the Mic Mini, it just sounds so good. I think I gotta pick one up eventually. Not yet. Still alright for now. Just got home. Looks like Frank the Tank is here. Let's see if he has anything weird to say. Frank the Tank, what do you have to say to the people?
Hello, how are you guys? Hope you're enjoying your weekend.
Do you have any weird wisdom for anyone?
Weird wisdom?
Yeah.
Coke and chips, the best weekend comfort food.
Not dog?
No dogs. No dogs today.